To build good AI products, we should start with three major steps: identifying problems that users experience, identifying how we might go about solving those problems, then identifying the technology that can help. The challenge is that these days, we so often start with selecting the technology and find a problem for it to solve later. With AI, this bad reverse order is even worse. More often than not, with AI, people are pressured to use AI for something, anything. In UX, we call this problem solutioneering. And it's so common that we included it as our UX slogan number 18. Instead, we should be collecting issues that do exist, problems that users do experience. A good AI strategy begins with identifying unmet user needs, business challenges, or market opportunities, and then considering where AI might be a viable solution along with other alternatives. Let's talk about an example. Imagine a team at a fintech company. The wrong way, the solutioneering way, starts with some sort of pressure from above. We need to use AI to look innovative. The team decides to add a generic AI chatbot to their main credit card page, and after months of work, they launch the chatbot, but users don't use it. Why? Because maybe the page already has a clear comparison table, and customers can find what they need faster without talking to a bot. In this situation, the AI chatbot is a classic solution that solves no real user problem. A solution looking for a problem. But let's flip that. Let's take a look at an example of how we should approach building useful AI products. Step 1. Identify the user problem. Let's imagine that the team analyzes user data and sees that plenty of people abandon their online mortgage application halfway through. Through a few customer interviews, they quickly learn why. Customers are confused by financial jargon like APR or interest rate and feel anxious they're making the wrong choice. So that's the problem. Step 2, identify how to solve it. The goal is to reduce confusion and anxiety. They could create a glossary page, make explainer videos, or offer a live chat with a loan officer. So step 3, identify the technology. Aha, this is where AI could actually help. A well-trained AI assistant could offer instant, in-context explanations for confusing terms 24/7. Success can be defined and would be easy to measure. A decrease in the number of abandoned mortgage applications. See the difference? We didn't start with AI, we started with a real user problem and found that AI was a fitting tool that might solve it. AI is just a tool that can solve problems, but it shouldn't be assumed to be part of the solution unless you've started with the problems first and understood them clearly. Not only should we have identified legitimate problems, but ideally, we've had a discussion on how we'd recognize success by doing it. So, as much as we want to start with AI, we want to create good experiences, right? Start by identifying problems. Then, just maybe, AI could help solve those problems.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of our UX videos, take a look at these over here and consider subscribing to our channel. On our website, inninggroup.com, you can access our free library of over 2,000 articles. You can also register for one of our UX courses that offer live hands-on UX training.